Safe Gold IRA strategies for conservative millionaire investors. Planning retirement is not just about growing wealth, it's about protecting it. For those with around $1 million in savings, stability and long-term security matter most. That's why many are exploring safe Gold IRA strategies for conservative millionaire investors to reduce risk and preserve value during uncertain markets. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Know the role of gold. Gold should support your portfolio, not replace it. It helps protect against inflation, adds stability during market drops, and improves diversification. Think of gold as a safety layer rather than a growth driver. 2. Choose a direct rollover. When moving funds from a 401k, a direct rollover is the safest option. The money goes straight into your Gold IRA without you handling it. This avoids taxes, penalties, and unnecessary stress. 3. Keep allocation moderate. A safe approach is to invest 10% to 20% of your portfolio in gold. 10% for basic protection, 15% for balanced stability, 20% for stronger hedging. This keeps your portfolio stable while allowing growth from other assets. 4. Buy IRS-approved gold. Only certain types of gold qualify for an IRA. Stick to high-purity bullion and approved coins. Avoid collectibles or rare coins, as they can lead to tax issues. 5. Pick a trusted custodian. A reliable custodian ensures your Gold IRA is secure and compliant. Look for clear fees, strong reviews, and good customer support. For storage, segregated options offer more security and transparency. 6. Understand all costs. Gold IRAs include setup fees, annual maintenance, storage costs, and dealer markups. Comparing providers helps you keep costs low and protect your returns. 7. Stay diversified. Even with gold, keep a balanced mix of stocks, bonds, and cash. This reduces overall risk and supports long-term financial stability. 8. Rebalance regularly. Review your portfolio once or twice a year. If gold grows beyond your target, like 25%, adjust it back to your preferred range to maintain balance. 9. Plan for taxes. Gold IRAs follow standard IRA rules. Withdrawals are taxed, and required minimum distributions apply. Planning ahead helps avoid large tax burdens. 10. Avoid common mistakes. Do not overinvest in gold, ignore fees, or fall for aggressive sales tactics. Staying informed is key to protecting your wealth. Safe Gold IRA strategies for conservative millionaire investors focus on balance, protection, and smart planning. By keeping allocations moderate, using direct rollovers, and maintaining diversification, you can safeguard your retirement savings. The goal is simple: preserve wealth, reduce risk, and build long-term financial security. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.